Hello, this is Sue Grant, back for another look at the Discovery 58 ELUSIVE. She's now being dressed and is looking much more as we would like to show her. Here she is ashore in the customs warehouse at Berthon in Lymington on quite a grey day, but I hope you get an idea of how fantastic ELUSIVE is looking. Here we are on the back deck. You can see the electric davits, which are all wrapped up to avoid anybody hurting themselves if they hit her head. We've got the solar, and also the barbecue is out, gin and tonic seats, life raft. These great wide side decks. 2 lockers, one for gas and the other for storage that we just walked past. Lovely flush hatches. Deck is in great shape. And of course, you will have seen in the previous video, she's got electric furlings, so everything is totally push button. And now we're looking at the Selden white painted spar with those great swept-back spreaders. Twin poles stowed on the mast, self-tacking arrangement, and this wonderful deck saloon arrangement too. Notice how everything on the deck saloon is beautifully flush, and all lines come back into the cockpit, so unless you're flying the A sail on the pole that she has, you won't be leaving the cockpit. And then we step up, really good entry into the cockpit. Carbon wheels, twin positions. She's running on Garmin. Bow thruster, chain canter, pedestal, and this beautifully refinished cockpit table. And we're here at sailing mission control. Everything is push button. Garmin on the companionway. And now we're going to have a look below at this very smart yacht. So, light oak. We've extended the table so that it really does seat 6 in total comfort. Lovely tulips. And then the signature upper helm interior watchkeeping. Everything is looking the business, and I just love these grey Antico floors. And the black is picked up in the ebony inlays around the joinery and in the doors. We've made up the VIP cabin, plenty of sheep, looks amazing. You can really imagine spending time here. Wave to Harry, our videographer. And into this enormous shower stall and heads compartment. Love the Korean detailing. Does look amazing. And then into the upper and lower berth cabin. We haven't made this up, but it is generous. Has all the cockpit cushions in it. Lots of storage. And then back into the deck saloon. And down into the workshop. And we're just going to have a look at the washer dryer, snugly fitted away there. And then into the engine room, Yanmar 160 and then 7 kVA Onan generator, all serviced, booted and suited and good to go, under 1,000 hours, tool kit on the door. And then back up and around into this rather magnificent galley with its quokka, loads of storage, 5-burner cooker, microwave, there's a dehum just on the top. And then into these vast freezer and refrigeration combo, another Discovery signature. Beautifully made. All the detailing is astonishing. lovely Corian, and look at this aft cabin, all made up, vertical windows. Imagine looking out not at Customs Warehouse, Bath Road, Lymington, but in some lovely anchorage in the Caribs or Mediterranean. Light just floods in. She's got fusion throughout. There is a little vanity unit there, and then into an enormous owner's heads compartment with big shower, loads of storage, all in fantastic condition, just as she came from the yard. This really is a lovely owner's cabin for a 58-footer. Back through the galley and up into a dressed main saloon, ELUSIVE Discovery 58, good for all oceans.